So I saw a few videos before online. I kind of knew what to expect from the treatment, but only after I came and I sat down and actually went through every step of it, I just felt absolutely amazing. When I got here, my scalp was a bit confronting to see how it was, but after a few hours and going through all the process with Lydia, which is just an amazing practitioner, everything is now amazing. I feel awesome. I have had quite a few massages before. I wasn't expecting to be coming out of here as relaxed as I am. It was just an amazing treatment. I'm super happy with everything. And I can't wait to get back here at your beauty. Thank you.